Alright, so today we are practicing how we can execute our trade. Yeah, so how we can enter the market and exit the market at the same time with different limit order. Yes, and we'll be doing it the manual way, and also we'll be doing it in its most simplified form. Alright, so let's just quickly go through this. Yes, through these notes, I'm about to say some the theoretical aspect first before we dive into the practicals. Okay, so first of all, we have different types of limit order, but the different types of limit order, they are just categorized under two categories, which we have one, the market execution. So either you can call it the market execution, or you can call it the instant execution. You understand? So what it means is that you are either buying the market or you are selling the market at the current instant price. You understand? So at this case now, based on our signal format. So at this point, you should know that when we say we are waiting for confirmation entries. So this approach now, instant execution, is the approach we use. So let me say we were waiting for confirmation entry, like a kind of breakout and a retest, and that has happened already. So what are we going to do then? We are just going to execute a trade with our stop loss, we on target, and our take profit on target. So we just simply execute at the current market price. So that is instant market order. And the other one is the pending order. Yes, so we have the instant execution and also we have the pending order. So in the pending order, this is how it goes. Pending order, they are order that you set expecting price to trigger you in. Yeah, so they are ordered that, okay, let me say they are ordered that are not living, they are not active at the moment. So we are expecting price, to take us in at any point, depending on the type of order. So this order, okay, if I'm using MT5 now, this order, they are categorized into three categories, where we have the first category, the buy limit and the sell limit order. Yes, and also we have the buy stop and the sell stop order. That is the second category now. And also the last category, which that one, we will not be using that one, but you just go to just pay attention to it. So that one is what is the buy stop limit order and the sell stop limit order. All right, so let's go into practicals now, guys. All right, so first of all, you are going to set your quotes. Your quote is your trading pairs. Okay, so in my list you have Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, gold, and GBP CAD. So first of all, if your trading pair, if maybe the signal that was sent, this asset now that is currently in your quote, this is like your watch list. If it's not here, so you just simply go, you just go and add it. Like, yesterday it was the USD CHF. So what I will do, I'll just go and click here, and I'll just come and write USD CHF. Okay, so I'll just add it. So after adding it like this, what would I do? I will just open it. So you see, okay, I tap on it first. What do you see? You see new order. You see chart. So the one that will be very most, the one that will be very most snappy, that we can just do it if it's like instant market execution. So just follow now. So first of all, you can click on this new order. You see now these new orders. So just in case, trading is about risk management. So maybe that signal was given and at some point maybe you missed the entry. Yeah, you missed the exact entry. So it is good for you to do your position sizing, to know the lot size you'll be using for this new position. And then what we do, okay, let me just say the lot size is 0.03. You just simply come here and put 0.03. And then what are you seeing now? You're seeing instant execution. So remember the first time I said we have market order or instant execution. So this is instant execution. As I'm putting this now 0.03, without, just in case it's like, there's emphasis that buy USD CHF now, or maybe sell USD CHF now. So first step, you can even ignore this SL point and this TP point. What is important first, depending on the current market price, is you put your lot size. When you're done with your position sizing, let's say 0.03, you just put this lot size now. And what we do, just simply go and strike. If you are selling now, you just simply strike the sell button. You understand? So you have executed this market with the current market price. You understand? So executing this market at the current market price, what does it mean? It means that you are already in the market. You understand? So now you can now wait and be trusting to benefit from either the price, the price decrease, depending on how you projected it to happen. All right. So looking at this now, still I've executed this market for yourself. But what do you notice? There's no stop loss, there's no take profit, right? So you can just simply, if the figure for the stop loss was given, what will you do then? You just go and simply copy it. You can come to this trade section now. You come and tap on it like this now. You see, I tap on this trade, so it showed me this close position, modify position, new order, chart block operation. So I'll just simply click on modify position, and then I'll just copy the digit and then insert it here, and then I'll just press modify. So let me just say, just in case the digit was 0.87865, you see, like this, and I'll just say modify, boom. And then in my chart, there's a take profit order, and you can see it is very much, it's just slightly so, but our stop loss order will not be there. At least it might be somewhere maybe around this region, just in case. This one is just for practice. It's not a kind of real trade. So boom, now you have your stop loss, and then for just to help you, okay, you can still do the same. Your take profit, modify order, you put your take profit as well. So this is it. For you to activate this your order instantly, you just need to do your position sizing first. Your position sizing first, because your position sizing, when you are executing an instant market order, it can be dynamic. What do I mean is that you are executing at the current market price, and so the price is currently changing. At this point now, maybe the market can start going up, and then what you need to risk will not be what you need to risk again, because maybe the market has left you. You just need to maybe reduce your risks to have good appropriate sizing as well. Okay, so like this market, instant market order, you see the trade is running already. So when you just click on sell, you can do another thing. You can just tap on it like this your SL, then your TP, just modify it. Now you put your TP, and that is all. So this is for instant market execution. So we are already in this trade. We can just start benefiting from the price fluctuations now, just in case it continues in our direction. All right, so the next one is the limit order. Yes, the next one is the limit order. So let's quickly go over to that now. The limit order. So the limit order is a pending order. So like I said again, just in case, we just added our quote. So I'll just tap on it like this, and what will I do? I'll just say new order, right? So all the digits is been there already. So you don't want to be the limit order. The limit order is fine. Like, it's just more enhanced. Why? Because it has in it, the risk management. Like, everything is just there. So maybe the order might be pending. Okay, I will do practical then, but let me just explain. So maybe the order might be pending. Yes, the order is the price is not close to activating it then. So what will you simply do to set a limit order? Nowadays it is just good to set the one that is most common is buy limit or sell limit. So now we'll click on this option, this instant execution. We are seeing, okay, remember I told you under these orders we have three subsection of the pending order. So this is the buy limit, the sell limit first section, the buy stop, the sell stop second section, and then the buy stop limit and the sell stop limit the last section. So first, now you see we have buy limit, we have sell limit, yes, we have buy stop limit, we have sell stop limit. So I'll just go and explain one, and the rest will be just the vice versa. So now let me see for this USD since we are like selling it, so I'll just go and use the sell limit order. So I'll just click this now. So let's say, assuming this setup that was given, was maybe 1:3 risk to reward ratio, and as well, the entry price was given. The entry price will be given. Yes. So if the entry price is given, what will you do? You insert the entry price at this point. This point that I just highlighted now, this price. This way you are going to insert the entry price. So let me say the entry price was maybe 0.8787 80, okay, 850. So let me just say this was the entry price, right? So this now you just copy it from the platform you put here. So first, when you have sorted out your risk management, right, you just copy it and put here like this. So this is the price now. So what will you do again? One thing that is important, even though you forget the other one, is to put your SL. So you just come, you put your SL. Your SL is what the point that that okay, if price should go against you this way, that okay, we are forfeiting the trade, and that is just it. And by then you just accept that you were wrong on the position, right? Yes. So that's just stop loss. So just quickly copy the stop loss order and you put here. So what will you do again? You just simply click place. So this is a limit order. This one now is not living, it's not alive. Let me say put it that way. It is a pending order. It has not been activated yet. So if you notice now, okay, this is where the pending order is. So let me modify it a little. So let me say, okay, let me just modify it a little so that I can get the difference between it. So now this is my pending order, right? Yes, this is my pending order. So if you notice now, this one does not have SL, but I've told you how to put SL. So maybe as you have opened it like this, you can tap on it again, say modify order. Then you now put SL, you put TP, and you press modify, it will be modified. Yes, and it is very important and paramount that you copy the right digits, copy the right one for SL for SL, copy the right one for TP, take profit. Yes, so that is that. So this is for sell limit order. The same way for buy limit, it's still the same thing. So the thing is that sell limit now, when we say, okay, use a sell limit order, you use a sell limit order. But buy limit, you just come here, you say new order, you come here, you say buy limit instead of sell limit. You say buy limit. Now you just click this. Then you put the current market the activation price, the entry price. Then you put your SL and your take profit. And you just set it, and so you just set it and leave it. This is a kind of risk entry. Yes, this is a risk entry. When you set your trade, you leave it. That means you're not waiting for confirmation. Maybe you just trust that zone to hold price to start going in your direction. So this is how we use the buy limit and the sell limit order. Alright, so guys, let's say we are done with the limit order section. So let's look at the last order. We'll not be looking at the last section because it will not be of any importance for us. So now we are looking at the second section, which we have the buy stop order. So the buy stop order. So this order, it is also a limit order. So just in case you were given a signal that says, okay, use the buy stop order. So what you just simply need to do is just to click new order. You come to buy stop. Buy stop is the market is trending below. You are expecting that, okay, when the market breaks this level, it should continue going. So the market is below your entry. You're expecting the market to trade upon your entry and continue going. So now we use the buy stop order. So now if I go ahead and click this buy stop, let's see the element. First, you just have the entry price as well. Just put the entry price, put the stop loss order, put the take profit order, and then boom, you place it. You are done. As simple as this, right? As simple as this. So the same for the sell stop order. The sell stop order is just okay, like USDCHF now is now, it is in a bearish trend. You just put it below a certain point that, okay, if price breaks this point, it should just continue going, and boom. So that's how you set it. So I hope with this now you have come to an understanding of how we use the limit order and also the instant market execution. So like I said, let me just go over a brief recap again. Instant order, you just click on this, you click on new order, you have sorted out your position sizing. It's in instant order. You have sorted out your position sizing. You just click sell or you click buy and you're in the trade. What you just need to do is modify your SL, and which you come here, you see, you modify your SL, and boom, you are good, right? So this is for instant execution. So at the same time, limit order, just come back to this USD CHF, you click on new order, you click on buy limit, then you put the current price that was given, you put the current price that was given, then you know what you're risking with your position sizing. Maybe that way we'll do it in subsection. So you put what you want to risk. Okay, the lot size that will be appropriate with your SL. So you put your SL, you put your TP, and then boom, you place it. You are done. So again, buy stop or sell stop is still the same thing. You just put the entry price and then the also the TP. So whichever kind of signal that is given in the platform. So you just do well to just use any of this order, and the order will be specified. Yes, the order will be specified. So with this, thank you very much. I hope you gain value from this. So I'll just be I hope you gain value from this. Thank you very much, and do how to practice on your own and to get familiar and acquainted with it. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful time.